At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a CDL, Commercial Driver's License, Driving School can be a rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the requirements for starting a CDL driving school in your area. This may include obtaining specific licenses, permits, and certifications. Research your target market, competition, and potential demand for CDL training in your area. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your objectives, target market, services offered, pricing structure, marketing strategy, and financial projections. 2. Legal requirements. Register your business with the appropriate government authorities and obtain all necessary licenses and permits. Consult with a legal advisor to ensure compliance with local, state, and federal regulations related to operating a driving school. 3. Location and facilities. Choose a suitable location for your driving school. Consider factors such as accessibility, parking space, and proximity to potential students. Set up a classroom space for theoretical instruction and a driving range for practical training. Ensure that these facilities meet safety and regulatory standards. 4. Instructors and staff. Hire qualified CDL instructors with experience in commercial driving and teaching. Ensure that your instructors possess the necessary certifications and licenses required by regulatory authorities. 5. Curriculum development. Develop a comprehensive curriculum that covers all aspects of CDL training, including theory, practical skills, and safety regulations. Customize your curriculum to meet the specific needs and requirements of your target market. 6. Equipment and vehicles. Invest in high-quality training vehicles that meet safety standards and regulatory requirements. Equip your vehicles with dual controls to ensure the safety of both instructors and students during training sessions. 7. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your driving school and attract students. This may include online advertising, social media marketing, partnerships with local businesses, and participation in industry events. Offer promotional discounts or incentives to attract new students and encourage word-of-mouth referrals. 8. Insurance. Obtain comprehensive insurance coverage for your driving school, including liability insurance, vehicle insurance, and instructor insurance. 9. Financial management. Set up accounting systems to track income, expenses, and cash flow effectively. Establish pricing structures that are competitive yet profitable for your business. 10. Launch and operations. Launch your driving school with a grand opening event or promotional campaign to generate buzz and attract initial students. Continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of your driving school and make adjustments to your strategies as needed to ensure success. Remember that starting a CDL driving school requires dedication, hard work, and attention to detail. By following these steps and remaining committed to providing high-quality training, you can build a successful and profitable business in the transportation industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.